everyone, my name is Faith, but you may call me Unmay. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Roblox Game I number 3. In our last episode, we had significantly worse audio quality, and we kept getting ripped off left and right from winning games. But this time, I'm coming back with a vengeance. And a seal, I guess? Ah yes, the majestic seal in its natural Roblox habitat. Okay, enough fluff. Let's get to the good stuff. We're gonna draw this girl. Her earmuffs are honestly so cute with the little cat ears on them. Ugh, adorable. Let's try not to f this up. I mean, we can't disappoint Stitch like that, man. Okay, let's give her some eyes. Draw in the luscious wavy hair. Alright, this is looking so cursed right now, but we can fix it. Adding color's gonna help. It's gonna help. They say just trust the process, right? Okay, the process cannot salvage this one, but at least we tried. Alright, let's just look at other people's drawings to make me feel better. Slenderman, is that you? Oh, sorry, I got kind of distracted. Yeah, 2-star. Alright, this is just a dot. It's just a dot. 5 stars. Alright, this is actually kind of cute. 3-star. That's a 2-star. Oof. Mine's so bad. That Stitch face. So ugly. It's cute. It's alright. Okay. Alright, let's see the results. Hey! Mine was the least disgusting turd out of them all. What an accomplishment. I feel so vindicated in my abilities. Okay, let's find a new lobby. For some reason, there's little clones of me running around. I don't know what that's about. Maybe I stumbled into an alternate dimension. One where I'm not so cringe. Yeah, right. That would never happen. Okay, it's time to draw people again. We're gonna draw this thing. Well, we'll do our best. We got a circle for the head. To represent the eye, I'm gonna give him a little mask. Draw on those lashes. In no way am I gonna keep this poor guy bald, so we have to give him some hair. This character is kind of reminding me of a person that would be at a shrine or something, so I'm gonna lean into that a little bit. This color palette is kind of giving Len Kagamine, but you know what? I'm kind of here for it. I'm even gonna put those little stripes on the collar. Let's attempt to do some shading and thicken that eye a little bit more. With the last few finishing touches, we're gonna be done. I was kind of hoping to add some eyes in the background, but I didn't have enough time. All right, it's judgment time. Okay, we got a pat of butter. You succeeded in making me hungry, I guess. Oh, this one's good. It's accurate. Dang it, they added the eyes. I wanted to add the eyes. Oh well. Ooh, this one's interesting. They made it into like a robot kind of thing. 3-star. Beep, it's mine. Ooh, they like it. Okay, next. There's no colors. Boo. Does that say what I think it says? Oh, the little fart cloud. Ah, love it. But I'll give it a 2-star because it has color. Same thing for this one. No. 1-star. Let's see who won. Woo! We on a roll, y'all. Let's see if we can keep it up. Oh, hello there. I'm praying I don't have to draw him. Oh, thank Christ. This is doable. Okay, draw the face in, ears and headphones, do the hair and color it all black. Don't know why I didn't draw the eyes first. That was kind of stupid of me, but we're making it work. Look how cute she is. I actually kind of like this one. Okay, let's see everyone else's. Oh, you know, for being AFK, that's actually not that bad. But how'd you draw it if you weren't near your keyboard? Oh, why is she not wearing pants? I have to remember this is probably drawn by a 12-year-old. Oh, this one's good. It looks like it wasn't drawn by a 12-year-old. 3-star. And we're back to 12-year-olds. Oh, frick, yeah, it's mine. Yo, they're eating it up. As they should. No. They're hearting it. Maybe I just don't understand art. Maybe I'm the problem. I'm gonna try to be nice. Yes, girl. Slay. Oh my god. Nah, it doesn't feel right. I'm going back to being a sarcastic bitch. Okay, let's see who won. Oh ho ho ho. Would you look at that? You know, I feel like this one at least deserves second place, not this. But whatever, we got our win. Alright, new lobby. Oh, she's pretty. Oh no, I feel like I'm gonna butcher it. Well, let's do our best. She got them elf ears going. Put in those eyes. Let's work on that edgy, wavy hair. Her hair has like the strangest shape language I've ever seen. We can't forget the wings. You know, the easy part about this character is that you can just use black for almost all of the coloring. My brain loved not having to think that hard. And then we're gonna use titanium white to highlight her shoulders, her wings, her hair, all that good stuff. Oh no, I forgot the horns. Gotta add that in real quick. Oh, I just barely made that. All right, who's up first? Is that a mosquito? Look at those skinny ass legs. Oh, 2-star. Okay, that's already quite the improvement. A solid 3-star. Aw, cute. That's 3-star too. Ah, it's mine. Wait, why is no one reacting to it? There's not even one reaction. That's probably not a good sign, right? But we'll keep going, I guess. They're reacting with mind-blown emojis to this? Oh my god, they're trolling me right now. No, this is fine. This is fine. 2-star. 3-star. I'm definitely not salty right now. What? I won? Yeah, they really were just faking me out. Those little stinkers. Well, now that my ego has been restored to full capacity, we can move on. Y'all better watch your backs, though. I hold grudges. Ooh, look at this guy. Imagine a world where we actually get to draw him. Oh, hey, look. This looks like the pizza guy from my first ever Draw Me Roblox video. Except gender bent. Alright, now we're gonna draw Bree, or Bri, however the heck you say it. Apparently, he loves his girlfriend. Thank you for sharing that with the class, Bree, bro. Okay, let's do this. Draw the eye first, then the headphone, then some lame hair, fix that ugly side profile, then trash the drawing because it's bad. Now that I only have like 2 minutes left, let's do this for real. So because I have literally no time left, thank you me, this is gonna be extremely basic. Yo, I am speedrunning this I'm like Sonic for real. Oh, it's so lame, we barely have any time left. I'm just hoping that his emo edginess will carry the drawing. Alright, this is okay. 2-star. Is that supposed to be bubblegum? Please tell me it's bubblegum. Right, so far I'm not too worried about the competition. Yeah, boy, that's mine. And they love it. Oh, heck yeah. I wasn't worried even for 1 second. Okay, on to the next one. It's Reindeer Guy. I can't mess this up, I can't mess this up, I can't mess this up. I am locking in, y'all. With those broad shoulders in there, then eyes, this little disgruntled mouth, and of course the Byamgyu wolf cut. And some blue sheets because he's embarrassed. Oh my god, I just realized this is Keith from Voltron. Wow, core memory unlocked. So I cut off the antlers by accident, but I can still add in the deer ears. Wrap him up in those cozy little lights. I'm gonna put a little shadow under his chin, a couple more lights, and our Tsundere astronaut is done. Okay, let's see everybody's masterpieces. For once, I am speechless. Okay, chicken noodle soup looking at. Yeah, I'd be mad that I'm balding so early too. Oof, mine is such a breath of fresh air. Yeah, I'll stay mad. It's accurate, I guess. This guy gave up on the face. Aunt Bethany, is that you? This guy couldn't decide whether he wanted to draw something kawaii or Chad. Hey, abada bing, abada boom. They chose correctly. Well, what are you looking at? Stop stirring my soul. Okay, let's do another. We're drawing Zoe 43 now. Not to be confused with Zoe 101. Okay, let's give her big, shiny, childlike eyes. I'm pretty sure she is a child. Or like a plushie. I'm not sure. But she's small and innocent. So I'm gonna have her doing the little uppies pose that kids do sometimes. Make sure we add in that braid. Put the little pink accents all over. We'll spell out the word there in case it wasn't obvious enough. Oopsies, forgot the other bow in her hair. Because there's only like 3 colors on the character, we actually have a lot more time for detailing. Okay, let's see everybody's drawings. Oh, is that a balloon? That's pretty cute. 2-star. But the hair is decently done. That's 2-star as well. I think I've seen this thing in my nightmares. 1 star for giving me trauma. Low-key, this is trypophobia triggering. What? It's November. I think your calendar's wrong, buddy. She's just a girl, and this is just an acorn. Yay, that's mine. I actually really like this one. It might be one of my favorites. All right, judgment time. Yippee! Wahoo! We won! I feel like the more I play this, the more brain cells I lose, but also the more my ego's boosted. I'm not sure which one is depleting or increasing faster. Wait, is there just a little blue guy on this dog head shoulder? Okay, never mind. The brain cells are depleting faster. Let's do just one more before I completely become comatose. Well, this girl has a really cool design, but why? Why do these people on Roblox never have faces? What is it, just hip with the kids now to not have a face? Because it shows how cool and mysterious you are. Shut up, child me. Okay, I'm done talking to myself. Let's actually draw. The hair is obviously the most important part of this character, so we're gonna try and do that the best we can. And drawing the tattoo, I'm pretty sure it's just a bunch of little butterflies, so let's just lazily scribble that in. I think this is the first time this episode that I'm actually coloring the background. Lastly, we add some scribbles, and of course, some little white specks. Okay, let's see everybody's art. All I can hear is the solid snake sound effect in this drawing. Ooh, they're liking mine. Oh, they made her into a little cloud. That's kind of cute. Oh my lord. I'm sorry I had to subject you guys to that. Yeah, I'm shaking my head too, girl. Oh, heck yeah, we won. Thank goodness or I was gonna be salty. All right, now I have to make a full drawing out of one of these avatars. And I'm thinking I want to do triangle guy because I want to expand more on the concept I had. So here we go. Here's the speed paint. I made it so the mask is breaking off, so that way it's only on one side of his eye, so you can still connect with the character. So there we go. What are you guys' thoughts? I thought it turned out okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to comment down below what you want to see from me next. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And maybe even consider subscribing. That's all for now. Bye bye!